Now, I'm in 2 clubs. I am VPPR for 2 clubs. One of them has its own Meetup account, and somebody just mentioned their club was just launching their, oh, Diane, one of your clubs just got their own account. The other club is part of the Salinas Toastmasters Club's group, which Solazar manages. So you've got the expert in the room. So what he did was he made me an administrator. Now I'm going to go to Carmel Improv Toastmasters, which meets on October 11th. So here's our next meeting. Let me open that up. What I have here is a placeholding meeting. We meet the second Tuesday of every month. So we just have this generic post that goes for the second Tuesday of every month. And once I get the information I need that's specific to that meeting, then I can come in here and update it. So I'm going to edit this event, just this event. I don't know if you can see that pop-up box. And the first thing I'm going to do is change our photo, because I made one just for our club. Look who our speaker is. Yay, it's Helen. Very exciting. So save photo, right? Okay, now I want to tell you something. This applies, some of these rules, right, apply to any platform. So I had that photo ready, and here's something else I have ready. I made this in advance, so it's very easy for me to just cut and paste. And to keep it simple, I put a little copy of the photo that I will be using in here. So copy and then paste. So I have to go back and get every link, but I'll do that later. What I wanted to show you was how I get these links for the speakers. I like to use their LinkedIn profiles. So I'm going to type in Shanti's name, and up she comes. Now see how it says first? She and I both have LinkedIn accounts, and we are first connections. We're connected with each other. So it makes it very easy for me to tag her in a post and to find her. So I come up to the search bar, copy her profile link, go back to Meetup, and put in her link. Okay, so I have to go back and put in theirs, but I won't waste your time with that. I also have the registration link, which I'm sure is now not a link. So I'm just going to make that live. Okay, so now that's a live link. Should be. Okay, and I'll just go back and do that for all of these links. Okay, this is an online meeting, so it's good to put the link here and registration link here. Okay, save. So on the bottom right, it's offering me to share, and if I'm correct, you cannot see the pop-up window, but there's a pop-up window. I can copy the link, and what I'll do now is I'll go back to my document. I like to put that link in that file I had. I'm going to do the same thing on LinkedIn, and I'll put the LinkedIn post link here. Now, what I'll do as VPPR is I'll send an email to the club membership. Or if your VPE does that, you try to coordinate with your VPE. So what I'm doing in my email is I'm asking everybody to please engage with these posts. To create a new event, click Create Event. To edit an upcoming event for one of your recurring events, click Edit this event only. Then upload your photo, upload your copy with all of the details. Be sure that all of your links are live. For online events, put your link in the description. Click that it is an online event and then insert the link in that slot and provide details that will make people want to attend this meeting. answer the question, why should I come to your Toastmasters event? And that is how you host a meetup event.